generative AI tools based in prompts can be often frustrating, because no matter how hard we try to explain what we want, they never give us exactly what we have in mind. This lack of control seems to make current AI models only useful to create still images or that kind of short videos, mostly used to create material for social media platforms. However, Reallusion's AI Studio, in combination with iClone and Character Creator, provides much more control when using the AI. And in this video, we'll see it's a great tool to create the artwork for comics, graphic novels, and cartoon animations. We already use Character Creator to make the characters of the stories, and iClone to create the scenes. Tools like Acupose and the expressions predefined in iClone are extremely useful to put the characters in natural poses while applying facial expressions to them. In addition, iClone provided total control over the camera framing and the illumination of the scenes. But after rendering the scenes, in order to obtain the comic look, we have to filter or retouch the images using external applications like Photoshop or Krita. But with AI Studio, we can use any of the predefined styles to obtain incredible comic looks in one single step, achieving an astounding consistency in a process surprisingly simple, as no complex prompts are required. The camera view remains identical to the one set in iClone. The lighting of the scene is properly replicated in comic style. The characters are easily recognizable, with the poses and facial expressions that we defined in iClone. The assets of the scene remain in their place. The clothes are replicated with accuracy. Even the badges on the uniforms are properly converted in comic style. All of it at the first attempt, no needing descriptions of the characters or the elements of the scenes. This pipeline gives us total control over the scenes and the characters we use. It's not designed just to create images unconnected between them, but to build long and complex stories with absolute consistency in all their elements, where the characters and their environments are totally defined by us, obtaining results with professional quality. We can go one step further, as we can use those images as template to define the initial frame and the style of animated sequences that AI Studio can generate as well. To generate the animations, we must provide an initial image that will set the initial frame and the style of the animation. Then, we can use a prompt to explain the action and use one of the camera motion templates. From that single image, AI Studio will generate an animation following our instructions. We can also load another image to define the last frame of the animation. In the prompt, we can explain the actions that are going to take place between the initial and the final images. We can repeat the generation, adding prompt variations, and finally edit the best sequences, as all of them maintain consistency in the elements of the scene and the animation style. Or we also can force AI Studio to read and replicate the animation we have created previously in iClone. It provides total control over all the elements of the cartoon animation, because if necessary, we can use iClone to control the camera, the lighting, the motions, the character expressions, the props that define the scene, everything, achieving without effort a high level of consistency in the scenes and the animation style. Finally, AI Studio also can apply voices to the characters in the videos previously generated, creating the correspondent lip synchronization.
Oh, in the native folklore exists a variety of beings living in the underworld that incarnate evil. Some of them are the Rakshasa.
We can also create dialogues between two characters. That process can be done using TDS or pre-recorded audio file.
Frank, we must rescue Colonel Drummond. He knows too much.
Let me think.
In Resume, the creation of graphic novels and cartoon animations with professional results, never it's been so easy to achieve. Instead of using the AI to replace CGI animations, AI Studio puts both worlds to work together, ensuring maximum quality while keeping absolute control of our creations.